What's up, guys? Wes back with Auto Mafia. We got the crew in here today. We're working on Project Hurricane. Since we ran our 1199 naturally aspirated, we're done with that crap. So finally, I know the guys at MPG have been dying to get us to install their turbo kit. So we have it here. Project Hurricane is going to get a full transformation, and we're going on the hunt for a 999, 2 seconds faster, on the stock motor with the turbo kit. So we're going to be using a comp oilless 6875 turbo, and we'll get the install filmed here and show you guys what we're doing, and stay tuned. This is going to be fun. We're getting it all laid out. The intercooler, our dump pipes that are going right out the hood exits, our oilless turbo. We got our Turbo Smart blow-off valve, wastegate. We got all vibrant rubber. It's all vibrant all over the rubber. Got our thick 1000cc injectors. Got our Cerakoted hot side and the 2 cold side pipes. Everything is vibrant V-bands. We got our dual tank. So this is both a coolant reservoir and a methanol injection reservoir. And we have our teal blow-off. So nice shiny unit. Should be good. It's going to be time to start mounting and test fitting stuff up from our NPG turbo kit, which we got all set out over there. Right now what we're doing is we're flipping our BBK throttle body. And the reason we're doing that is because it's very, very close to the turbo. And the turbo is going to get super, super hot. So we're going to try and flip it, and that should work much better. Very easy, it really just mounts to the top, this side where the turbo goes, with 2 V-band clamps, and these are actually, this is where it's going to shoot out of the hood. So right now what we did is we went ahead and flipped the throttle body. We pulled our nitrous line out of the way because just to get it all to fit and to sit up tight, even after we ground it down, there's just not enough room. We just hit right there because of how close that's sitting. It really needed to be offset a little backwards, then we would have been fine. So we basically have to get, and it's kind of embarrassing to say, but I need a throttle body spacer. Yeah, a throttle body spacer. Another one because we have the nitrous one. Now we need another one just to make enough room. So the only thing that I really have left to do on the car, 1, we got to get a good air filter for it, and 2, we have to run our vacuum line. So we're literally going to run a line from the blow-off valve. It's going to come up here. It's going to be a T, and it's going to come in right here. Okay. Then there's gonna be one, we have to get the nipple coming out right there of the wastegate into the T, same spot. Now we're doing that so that we can run on wastegate pressure or just our regular spring. So it's a pretty simple setup. Those are the last parts we gotta get and install our new 1000cc thick injectors, and this bad boy is good to go. Oh, we also have to put in our MAF sensor. This goes right there, and your cord for it to plug it in will reach. But it will start up without a MAF in it. So, and even without the new plugs, it will start up and it will run. We just won't be able to really rev it or anything. Okay guys, so I can't wait for the MAF sensor to go get it. We'll rev it a little bit more later, but for now this is gonna be our first startup.